New bike day. Every mountain biker's favorite day, especially mine. Today is the day that I get my new full suspension. Yes, I know it isn't a giant box, but it's not a giant. Stick around to see what bike I got. So here it is. Not much of it, but you can see a little bit. As you can see, it has awesome Industry 9 hubs. Amazing. What a beautiful color too. And yes, they are carbon rims. So the owner of this bike, before I got it, the dude that I just bought it off of, he took it completely apart for the most part. So I'm going to have to go to Wooden Wave and put this thing together. So let's get a little montage of going to Wooden Wave. Let's get it. Before I go any further in this video, I would like to thank Jackie over at Wooden Wave for helping me build my bike today. So yes, their shop sells Trek and Pivot, and they do have a .com, so woodenwave.com. Go check them out. Let's unpackage this thing and see what it looks like. Setting up your bike for your specific needs is very important, such as setting up your cockpit. What is your cockpit, you may ask? Well, it's your bars and the levers on your bars, whatever levers you may have, which I have front brake, back brake, shifters, and dropper posts. Some people have more, some people have less. But setting them up means like how you can grab them very well, easily function for you, and how far they come in, how far they might be out, and easily to your standards. Let's see how much this thing weighs.
31.7.
31.7. Wow, that is incredibly light for a full suspension enduro bike, with 170 millimeters of travel in the front and 165 in the back. Of course, it does have carbon rims and a carbon frame and Fox on it, so I guess I can see that. Let's take it for a spin.
Put your dropper down.
Edit time. Okay, let's go over all the parts on this beautiful beast. So I got Industry 9 carbon wheel set. They're amazing. And yes, the hub is Industry 9 too. You probably heard it. It's loud. It's awesome. It's beautiful. It's carbon too, so they're really light. Let's listen to it. The next part we'll be going over is the fork. It's a Fox 36. It's got the bronze stanchions on it, and it looks good. And we got the Cane Creek headset paired with that, and the Mucky Nuts fender. And we got the bars, their origin. I took the carbon bars off because I do not want to run carbon bars. Afraid of it snapping. I know you can roast me in the comments, but I don't care. As you heard me say, this is an Intense. It's an Intense Tracer, which is a bullet round. So it's got like bullets everywhere. So there's a painting of a bullet round, and there's another one. That's all I found so far. But I thought that was a cool feature that Intense put on their bike. And they got their own seat clamp. It's pretty cool, aftermarket part. And paired with the 1-up dropper seat post, 210 millimeters. It's crazy. Look how long that is. With the fabric seat, it's an awesome combo. I would very recommend getting one of those unless you're a really short rider. So for my back shock, I got a Fox DX2. It's a coil shock. I like the feel of them better. That's why I have it on there. And yes, the cranks are carbon too. I got some SRAM cranks on here, carbon, with some race face chesters. And yes, both sides is the same, carbon cranks, with the little neon yellow boots on them. And I got the SRAM chain on there, the SRAM derailleur, and 12-speed cassette with the awesome wooden wave sticker. Thank you, Jackie. So for my tire choice, I went with the Maxxis Minion DHR, the rear tire for the rear tire, and the Maxxis Minion DHF for the front tire. Hopefully this will be a good combo for an enduro. I hope so. So we'll see how it goes. Thank each and every one of y'all for watching today's video. Hope you love this bike, and I especially do. Thanks to Woodwave for helping me build, and thanks to Sweetwood Guitars in California for sending this thing out. It was his own bike. Love it. Thank you so much, dude. And just make sure, don't forget, shred till you're dead.